Newark HVAC. We are a full-service HVAC company. We provide installation and maintenance of all heating, air conditioning, refrigeration, indoor air quality, and ventilation equipment. We only send out fully trained technicians to provide expert heating and air conditioning repairs at a reasonable rate to our customers. As a local family-owned and operated heating and cooling contractor, we can service all major brands of heat and AC units and systems. Enhanced Heating and Air Conditioning is accredited by the Better Business Bureau of Delaware. We guarantee your 100% satisfaction in every job performed. Call 302-416-4730 today or visit enhancedhvac.com.